Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is me. Leo's all about me, my kings, my queens, my emperors, my rajas. Have your favorite beverage, your favorite food, take your favorite walk, go to your favorite place of peace, play your favorite game, read your favorite book, compliment yourself, fill your cup up all the way to the brim right now, fill your pitcher up, not cup, a pitcher, because you're the big dog. Make sure you fill it up to the brim. Therefore, you have enough energy to be able to service your kingdom, your people, that people are looking up to you, following you. You can't do that with an empty cup, an empty pitcher. So make sure you love you, some you today. Look in the mirror, say, I love you. Thank you for always standing tall, never giving up. I love the person I've become. And say, look how you've grown. You're beautiful. I allow the serenity to reign within me. And the love I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. Peace be still. If you feel good, you're taking care of yourself, why would you be troubled? Make sure you take care of yourself. Therefore, you can help others. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. You've outgrown people, places, things, activities. Go to the things that make you happy. Therefore, you can come back out and make the difference and be the leader that you know that you are. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.